Painting for me is a layering process that creates this illusion of depth. I make abstract paintings and installation art, which engages the concept of mark making by ways of art history and mythology. I think about place, movement, and belonging. Moving between Ethiopia and the US, particularly Los Angeles, influenced the way I think around mark making. I've always wanted to include everything, every language around me, because in my works, it's neither here or there. I started thinking about cave paintings, graffitis in my neighborhoods I grew up in Los Angeles. I think about markings that tells you where electricity is buried underground. I've always enjoyed gridding out the surface of my paintings. There's patterns that take place over and over again. The porous chain link fence, cloth that has threads invisible to the naked eye sometimes. I think about such layering in every series that I have made.